So I'm actually making this video because yeah, it's actually been a minute since I made a video, and today is January the 15th. My appointment is on the 20th. Before I even get into why I'm making this video, my hair has been through it. From the time I've cut it, I'm saying time like it didn't happen multiple times. Like up until my last hairstyle, I cut some of my hair off. From the one time my mom permed it, and it's not like oh, my hair used to be long until my mom permed it and it fell off. No, I wanted bangs so bad, and my mom had to really explain to me how black hair works. Like, girl, you're gonna straighten your hair and it's not just gonna fall, it's not just gonna move, it's gonna be stiff, girl. She had to explain to me that once my hair is straightened doesn't mean it's not no silk press I'm getting, right? But 8-year-old me didn't care. Okay, I wanted bangs, and my mom was just trying to make me happy. She didn't keep it on for long. What else did I do to my hair? I want to thank me for never actually like coloring my hair. I don't think I ever would cross that path. Most of all, I would like to thank my hairdresser, my mom, for literally always doing my hair and being my hairdresser. Like, there's been times where I've gotten my hair done by others, but nobody could do it like she did. Okay, let me tell you, she knew what was gonna make me look good and did it every time. But enough of my rambling, let's actually get into why I'm making this video. And it's really, some of y'all about to be mad at me. I'm locking up. I'm finally doing it, and I'm just nervous because remember when I said the only time I've liked my hair is when my mom did it? Yeah, my mom can't do no damn locks, not lock extensions. And I don't even want to hear it. Don't even come for me. Listen. Okay, let me explain myself. I'm getting lock extensions instead of just locking my hair because I want the length that comes with having locks. And I know a lot of people who've done their locks naturally are like, don't cheat the system, it's a journey, this, that, and the third. However, my reasoning for getting locks is because not only do I want the journey, I want to be confident and feel confident within my journey. And lock extensions do that for me. Once I lock it, I'm definitely stuck with my personal length for a long time, and to get to the desirable length that I would like, it's going to take me a couple years, and I'm about to be 21. Also, why I finally decided to make the switch over to locks and permanently locking it. And I've done other hairstyles before, but you know, there's been a few where I was like, okay, but they never last as long as single braids can. Don't even look at me like that, because we've all stretched the length of our single braids longevity. We milked it. Okay, don't play that with me. Even when I did do something different, it didn't last. I'm personally not a wig girl. I would like to be, it's just not me. And if I'm being honest, don't come for me. If I'm gonna be honest, wigs only look good on camera, and then it's just a hassle to have to like re-glue it down every couple days once it starts to lift. And then once you do re-glue it down, it's never as cute, and God forbid you wear makeup, it's a headache. I don't get it, girl. It's just not for me. I've tried it a couple times, and yeah, it's just not for me. What also is not for me is the process of doing my hair. Let me tell you, the last time I did my hair, it was in mostly single braids, but then I got the front braided. It was traumatizing, actually. That's what really pushed me over the edge, where it was like, yeah, I don't want to go through this. I'm too grown. At my big age, I'm here fighting tears while I'm getting my hair done. I'm having flashbacks. Like, another reason is I personally can't do my own hair. Like, I can, but it doesn't mean I want to. And I can, but it doesn't mean it's good, right? So the few times I have done my own hair, like I've done my own hair in locks, and I've done my own hair in single braids with the elastic method. A big bumble cloth setup. I don't know who told me to do that. They were just like, oh yeah, use the rubber band method and you're good. I was not good. I was far from good, bro. When I tell you, I didn't even sleep that night. I liked the way it looked, but then when I took it out, a lot of my hair came with it. And it's not even like a, oh, I accidentally cut some more of my hair, because I kid you not, that happens every single time when I take down my hair, even single braids. Like, I don't have the patience. I'm cutting this close, okay? Yeah, when I took off the elastic bands, it snapped off my hair. And I didn't do that again. That was my first and last time. Like, it was so ghetto. It was so ghetto. Why did I do that to myself? Going back to me not being able to do my hair, my own hair, I would always have to ask my mom to do it. But then again, my mom is a mom and she works and has other obligations, so my hair was very low on the priority list, okay? So when I did ask to do my hair, it was over at a span of maximum 3 days, okay? It also depended on what the hairstyle was. Like, I did a crochet style, which was probably one of my favorites. The whole hairstyle took like 2 hours, but like doing things like single braids, that's like 5 to 8 hours. Like, and I like my shit long, okay? No, it was just too long. So I'm getting lock extensions specifically because, as you can see, like, my hair isn't short, but it's not long, right? I want it to be at a comfortable length. This was the goal, but I'm not good with numbers. So I asked for like 12 inches. I want to be confident in the way my hair looks. I want to feel pretty. I feel like these last few months I've had my hair natural because of the traumatic experience of me doing my hair the last time. I didn't even touch my hair in anticipation, right? I booked it about a month ago. From the last time I did my hair, I didn't put anything back in, and I just haven't, like, you know, felt myself. A big thing about being a Black girl is a lot of our confidence is in our hair, and that's so true for me. A majority of my confidence is how my hair looks. I feel like my face can look any way. I don't care how my face looks, but if my hair isn't done, I still feel undone. I don't feel attractive. I don't feel pretty. Also, putting some professionalism into it. Like, I wouldn't feel confident in myself going to a job interview with my hair like this. Me and my hair and the relationship with my hair. But personally, that's just how I feel. The confidence just wouldn't be there. But yeah, cross our fingers. So this is it conditioned. I'm gonna condition and detangle it before I wash it, and just to save hot water, I'm doing it outside the shower because it's gonna take a minute. And then I have to wash the conditioner out and then shampoo, and then that's it. That was in her instructions, like, do not condition, do not moisturize, no oil, no nothing. This is how my hair looks. Lengthwise, like, fresh out the shower. I really haven't been paying my hair no mind. Not all of it's even detangled. I left it in a funky ass twist out for like a month. So her instructions were to braid it in 4. That's just what I'm gonna do.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So I'm in my aunt's house right now, but this is how she looks. It's giving 3B at the roots, but she's real stiff right now, like, but I love her. The parts are so good. I don't want to do too much to it because I don't want it to come undone. My appointment was on the 20th. It is now the 22nd, so we're 2 days into this, and I just want to give my first impressions. I feel like 2 days is a good amount of time for first impressions, so I'm just gonna untie it. Like, here's the top. My first impressions is that it just seems kind of stiff to me, you know, like, you know how it moves just feels and seems kind of unnatural. That's just personally to me. It's easy to style. It kind of resembles like knotless braids. If you could kind of see, that's like the retwist, and then this is very permanent. It's not something I could just like undo, which I understand. Feel, it's very rough. Some damn sandpaper, I'm not gonna lie. When I think of the feeling of this hair, it feels like sandpaper, and I understand this is real, but they are locks, so the method that was used, it's going to seem rough, and it does feel rough. Like, it very much feels rough. However, the loctician told me that it will soften up over time, and after your first couple of washes, it should soften up. I feel like if this is how it feels now, once it's dry, like, is this not how it will always feel? Like, I don't see how washing it will make it softer. I really don't. But that's what she said. And that was without me even being like, oh, it's kind of rough. Like, I didn't bring that up to her or anything. That was just information she told me. She also said there was a conditioning method that I could use, because I'm gonna have to cut out conditioner, like the traditional conditioner, entirely, because it will cause buildup and residue. This does pick up lint. It does pick up lint with my 2 days of having them. Like, you could even see over here, like, it's just lint. I didn't get to go to the hair store yet. What else? Oh, I thought they were gonna be heavy. Like, I thought they were gonna be heavy, but they're pretty weightless. Like, I don't feel any extra weight on my head at all. Like, say if I was to have it in one, which was actually kind of shocking to me because I expected them to have weight and be heavy. I've done faux locks before, and even I understand those are synthetic. I just thought that they would have some weight to them, and they don't. Like, I was definitely expecting to get a thick neck from holding up all this hair, but my only thing is, I love it. It looks great. She did a great job. It's pretty seamless. It doesn't feel like my hair is like didn't get super big. You know how sometimes you could do your hair and your hair grows 2 sizes because of all the hair? I don't feel like that's what happened with this hair. Like, it is a lot of hair, but it's very natural. My only thing is the stiffness. That's the only thing, like, I would say I don't like. But as she said, like, it's kind of like shoes, you need to wear them down, and yeah, that's all she says. She told me I was due for my first retwist a month from the day I got it done. However, I'm not in a hurry to retwist my hair because personally for me getting locks is to minimize the maintenance. So I'm not planning to, like, I'm not in no rush to just be, I love this look, I really do, but I think it will also look fine if I didn't have a retwist. Until it's like bad, then I guess I will seek out a retwist. Just for reference, I'm in Scarborough. I'm in Scarborough. So me traveling all the way to Brampton, I have family that lives down in Brampton, and they helped me get like most of the way there. All I did was take the transit, and I met them at a point and they helped me get most of the way there. So if it wasn't for them, I would have had to pay a hefty Uber. So I don't plan to just travel all the way out there just for a retwist. Also, the process went by very fast, about 5 hours. Like, but it felt a lot quicker than that. Like it was four and a half the most, and then I was gone. I was out the chair. I paid her and I left. Her house smelled really nice. Yeah, but this is what she did. It was a lot of money. It was definitely an investment, and an investment I'm proud of. Like, I will never have to do my hair again, and I'm okay with that. I've never worked with styling this much hair. So far, the only style I've done is, and this is my go-to style, and I feel confident, I feel pretty, I feel cute in this style, and that's what I really want. I'm really excited. I'm really thankful. Just let me know if you do have any questions. I will be following up, so I'm gonna keep you posted. And yeah, that's pretty much the beginning of the end of my journey. Yeah, toodles.